how to repost story on Instagram if you're not tagged. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can repost Instagram stories if you're not tagged, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So normally when you open the Instagram application and then if you're tagged in a particular story, you should be able to add that story to your own story by tapping the add this to your story button. But if you're not tagged and then you want to just go ahead and then share someone else's story, if it's a photo, then you can basically just go ahead and then actually take a screenshot of it. So you can just basically choose to take a screenshot like this. Once you choose to take a screenshot, you can go ahead and then add the screenshot to your own story. So let me show you how it's done. You can just come back, tap the your story button, just select the screenshot that we took away. If you want to crop it, that's fine. If not, that's also fine. And then you can mention the other person if you'd like. So that's basically how it works. Now if this isn't the case, and sometimes if it is a video, then in that case also you can just choose to screen record your phone. So basically if it's a video, then just go ahead and then screen record a specific phone over here or that story, and then you should be able to add it, because that is the only way. If you are not tagged in it, you cannot directly share it to your story. You have to repost it by taking a screenshot or downloading or whatever else you can do. That is it on how you can repost story on Instagram if you're not tagged in it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.